Past continuous tense. Indicative mode. Actions that were done or were happening in the past. Now see the active voice. Subject plus was were, verb, ing plus object. Passive voice. Object was were, being past participle by. Now see the first example. Active voice. They were preparing the dinner in the kitchen. Passive voice. The dinner was being prepared by them in the kitchen. Active voice. We were discussing the project details. Passive voice. The project details were being discussed by us. Active voice. He was fixing the car yesterday evening. Passive voice. The car was being fixed by him yesterday evening. Active voice. I was cleaning the room. Passive voice. The room was being cleaned by me. Active voice. They were watching a movie together. Passive voice. A movie was being watched by them together. Active voice. He was mowing the lawn in the morning. Passive voice. The lawn was being mown in the morning. Active voice. They were baking the cookies for the event. Passive voice. The cookies were being baked by them for the event. Active voice. We were discussing the vacation plans. Passive voice. The vacation plans were being discussed by us. Active voice. They were packing the bags for the trip. Passive voice. The bags were being packed by them for the trip. Active voice. He was sketching a portrait. Passive voice. A portrait was being sketched by him. Active voice. They were decorating the hall for the party. Passive voice. The hall was being decorated by them for the party. Active voice. He was watering the plants outside. Passive voice. The plants were being watered by him outside. Active voice. They were preparing the old car together. Passive voice. The old car was being prepared by them together. Active voice. He was ironing the clothes before the meeting. Passive voice. The clothes were being ironed by him before the meeting. Active voice. I was planning the event for the weekend. Passive voice. The event was being planned by me for the weekend. Active voice. We were arranging the flowers for the wedding. Passive voice. The flowers was being arranged by us for the wedding. Active voice. They were organizing the files at work. Passive voice, the files were being organized by them at work. Active voice, we were brainstorming the ideas for the project. Passive voice, the ideas were being brainstormed by us for the project. Active voice, he was designing a logo for the client. Passive voice, a logo was being designed by him for the client. Active voice, he was editing the travel vlog. Passive voice, the travel vlog was being edited by him. Active voice, we were preparing a presentations for the class. Passive voice, a presentation was being prepared by us for the class. Active voice, she was researching the assignment. Passive voice, the assignment was being researched by her. Active voice, she was styling her hair for the party. Passive voice, her hair was being styled by her for the party. Active voice, they were setting up the camping tents. Passive voice, the camping tents were being set up by them. Active voice, he was polishing the shoes before work. Passive voice, the shoes was being polished by him before work. Active voice, he was choosing a gift for his friend. Passive voice, a gift was being chosen by him for his friend. Active voice, I was discussing the topic with teacher. Passive voice, a topic was being discussed by me with teacher. Active voice, she was arranging the photo albums. Passive voice, the photo albums were being arranged by her. Active voice, he was assembling a new bookshelf. Passive voice, a new bookshelf were being assembled by him. Active voice, she was adjusting the decoration at home. Passive voice, the decoration were being adjusted by her at home. In next tutorial, I will bring you tenses in English grammar with meaningful lessons. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest videos notification. And share my video among your friends. See you in future video.